Wait.
Salam.
Say that.
Assalamu alaikum, Santu Bhai. You helped me really a lot and it changed me. It did, it's about 18 years I've been to you. When Faiza's daughter was a baby that time, but he really helped me, really helped me. And it was, I'm a free person and I'm enjoying life.
Thank you very much.
Sugar.
Make it easy for you.
Yes. And when I lost my baby, you told me it's not going to come back. I lost my mother. I knew that she's not going to come back. And I had a very lovely dream about her where she's in a Rose Mubarak and meeting my brother who she wanted, the boy. So she met him there also. I saw that also. And also I'm very thankful to Allah.
Bless you.
And Jazakallah for helping us, and Allah must let you carry on with health and happiness.
Thank you. Jazakallah.
Yeah.
See, if you start living it, it will be useful, is it not? Applying those things in your life.
It doesn't, anybody tell me anything, I go make them laugh. I say, I'm so sorry I upset you and all that. So it works, and I don't keep the baggage. I don't carry the baggage anymore.
You're free now.
I'm free.
By the face we can make out. You understand?
Yes.
When you're catching the face is so small, when you say freely talking, laughing, smiling, you are light.
Yes.
Then you got so much of energy now.
Gee, I'm very fit also, and I'm very light.
Energy, light, working.
I'm 73 years old, but shukr.
I'm 74.
So I'm thankful.
Sylvia, thank you, Allah.
Alhamdulillah, I changed a lot. It helped me.
May Allah make it easy for you.
Yes, and I wish all the people must come to you and be sorted out also. All the depression.
Yeah. Because people don't know what's going on.
Yes.
See, Islam is a way of life.
It's true.
And then how to live, nobody's teaching us.
Yes.
They are just asked to memorize, rule this surah, that's it.
Yeah.
It's so simple. Accepting people as they are. And then forgiving people.
And my husband was very supportive. He took me all over. But when I came to your course, it changed me. It changed me.
Let's change the lives. That's more important. What do you say?
Jazakallah so much.
Thank you. Jazakallah.